guys, it's Taylor, and today we are playing Royal High again, and I'm supposed to meet my friend somewhere, and I'm going to see where she is. Right? Let's see where she is. You know what? I'll get you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go look for her. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm going to look some more, and I didn't find her at all, but I think I'm gonna look in the cabin. Maybe she'll be there, right guys? So, ooh, a diamond. How much was that? You know what? Let's see if I can spin the wheel of fortune yet. Not yet? Okay, so let's see. Oh, not level high enough. Whoa, look at these beautiful flowers. Let's just explore because I don't think my friend's ready yet. So look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my god. It says out. Oh, she's out on the wedding, so. But it looks very. I might buy them when Violet comes back. Are you ready? Okay, so my friend is ready now, so let's go see her. I'm so excited, guys, because I haven't saw her in like a year. Alex! Hi! Oh, hey, Leah. Hi! Oh my god! So, what do you want to do, Alex? What do you want to do? I'm kind of bored, so what do you want to do? Actually, what? What's up? I would like an honest answer. Which do you like better? This outfit? That one's really cute, but let me see the other choice. Or this. Oh my god. Alex, that is such a hard choice. I'm gonna go with... maybe... I'm gonna go with this one. It's really cute. Oh, thanks. Okay. Okay, so Alex, since it's kind of boring at Royal High right now at the mall, do you want to go make a wish at the wishing fountain? Yeah, sure, of course. Okay, let's go. Come on. I'm so excited to make a wishing at the wishing fountain. But I know I'll never get the winter halo. I'll just never get it, but maybe I'll get a few diamonds, but yeah. You don't know. You could. Just believe. Oh, thanks, Alex.
What are you talking
No
about?
problem. Come on, Leah. Okay, I'm coming. Jeez. Okay, let's go. How much should I put in? There have been rumors that a mysterious elf appears by the fountain, and only ones with Christmas cheers can see them. You walk up to the fountain and see a bucket in the fountain. You look inside and there's an elf in there. Oh my gosh. The elf says, throw some diamonds into the fountain to see if you are on Santa's naughty or nice list.
I'm gonna put 100 or 50.
Oh god. Madison's gonna put in 50. It's okay. Madison's gonna put in 50, guys. She just put in 50. Alex did. Okay, so I'm gonna put in 10. Let's see what happens. Oh! It says it needs to take a break. Throw your diamonds in the fountain.
I got diamonds.
Plus
100. I got
I got
100 more diamonds.
Oh, I got minus 10 though. I wasn't.
You want to do it again?
Nah, not right now.
I'm gonna do it again.
I don't think I'm allowed to.
Try again in 2 hours.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna make another video about this. Bye, guys. Say bye.